I apologize in advance for the terrible quality. This is what it sounds like. So listen carefully.
National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 72, effective until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander,
What was that?
Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland.
Oh. It was Little Rock. God damn it, it stopped.
Davidson, Beatty, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, McDowell,
Ooh.
Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Polk, Richmond, Bryan, Rutherford, Stanley, Union, and Wilkes, and the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Lawrence, Spartanburg, Union, and York. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 72 has been issued from 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Denton, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson,
Oh.
Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Polk, Richmond, Bryan, Rutherford, Stanley, Union, and Wilkes, and the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Lawrence, Spartanburg, Union, and York. The Charlotte, North Carolina.
Okay, what's going on from Little Rock? Okay, so they continue to flood warning for the White River at Augusta and Clarendon until further notice, and Greenville Spartanburg has now expired the severe thunderstorm watch for Elbert, Franklin, Habersham, Hart, Rabun, and Stevens counties in Georgia, and Avery, Buncombe, Haywood, Henderson, Jackson, Macon, Madison, Mitchell, Transylvania, and Yancey counties in North Carolina. What the hell is going on? Oh, it was Louisville. They issued an AFD. And Anderson, Greenville, Oconee, and Pickens counties in South Carolina. All right, let's look at this. Thing here. They expired it for this. Wait, did it issue for Davidson? I think it did issue it. I think it did. I can't speak. I think it did get issued for Davidson County. Oh, fuck. What was Northern Indiana? Oh. It was a hazard with the outlook. Okay, I'll just go ahead and stop the video before the... Really, Greenville Spartanburg? You really have to you really have to interrupt me with the hazardous weather outlook. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I'll just go ahead and end the video before the posts just get really crazy.